Vanakkam. Hello, Navodiyans across the globe. This is Dr. V. Arul Murugan, JNV Puducherry, 1988 and 95 batch. So I'm so happy I have registered and I have also contributed for organizing Regional Alumni Meet 2025 at Bangalore. Officially by NVS Hyderabad region in collaboration with alumni. I invite and request all the alumni of Hyderabad region of 77 JNVs of 33 years, please come back to our regional alumni meet at Bangalore and let us rejoice and serve our society. Thank you so much. The next thing, many of our Navodiyans have little doubt and need clarification. What I get if I attend Regional Alumni Meet 2025 at Bangalore? Very simple. Our NVS is organizing alumni meets at our JNV level, district level, for last 25 years. And last few years, especially in 2020 in online, NVS Hyderabad region has organized Regional Alumni Meet and I was part of it as an invitee. And now, last 3 years, from 2023 to last 3 years, Regional Alumni Meet is initiated, officially organized by NVS Hyderabad region in collaboration with the alumni Navodiyans. And many are asking what we get from there. See, one, individual benefit. Number two, we can give back to our school and society. How individually I will get benefit? Very simple. Networking, mutual benefit. As an individual Navodiyan, come to Regional Alumni Meet. You can network with all the alumni who are successfully in different professional backgrounds. So, for example, if you are a student now, doing undergraduation or post-graduation, or looking for a job, or looking for an internship, you can always network with your seniors, alumni, where they are in big corporates, governments, and different fields, where you can get contact with them, and whereby you can get your career guidance, business internship, and jobs, employment. And if you want to do business, there are successful entrepreneurs in our Navodiyana alumni where you can meet them and get your benefits. So this is a personal benefit that you can get. But what you can give back, right? One, you can take successful, success models, which are there followed in every JNV, and you can learn from their presentation, from the stalls, from the presentation on the stage, from the network, and you can, in an organized way, you can do the same thing in your own JNV and in the society. In that angle only, as an outcome of RAM 2023 at Bangalore and RAM 2024 at Hyderabad, we have come out with a model called as Navodaya Vision 2125. How alumni can contribute to our own Navodaya family for next 100 years. That is a vision. And there are 5 visions on that. Vision 1 is JNV admission mission, where you can voluntarily come in, source aspirants, and you can make them to apply and train to get into JNVST 6 standard. As we got benefit, we can make those unreached aspirants in rural villages who are single parent, no parent, economically poor, we can bring in. That is Vision 1, JNV admission mission. Vision 2 is healthcare vision, where we can help conducting camps, providing voluntary blood donors, and so on for present students, present staff, and alumni, alumni families, alumni staff, everyone, the entire family across the globe. We can make Vision 2 healthcare. And Vision 3, that is career guidance and counseling, where we can give to our own students, where I'm actively involved, and also you can give it to alumni and their families, right? That is. And vision 4 is sustainable, clean and green initiatives, where we can keep our own campus as an alumni. We can go back, we can clean and make our own campus green, and also we can get into society. Maybe one of the successful project which was initiated by Infinity Karthik, that is seed ball project, which can be taken forward. And number 5, mutual benefit focus groups, where different professions, entrepreneurs, farmers, business people, then teachers, scientists, public sector enterprises, healthcare professionals, where we can network and we can help each other. So these are the 5 visions that we have systemized, organized. We are doing in different schools, but we can organize and do it, which can be showcased and which can be given appreciation to those people who are involved in forthcoming RAMs. So that is the purpose, that RAM can be a place where we can showcase the activities and initiatives of Navodaya Vision 21-25. So this is the purpose. So when you attend a RAM, you will get your personal benefit, as well as you can help your own students and staff, alumni of your own school, and also the society, reach the unreached. We can reach as an Navodaya, whatever we have got, we can give back to our society. And how you can? Please register for RAM 2025 Bangalore, and also try to provide Navodaya voluntary contribution beyond your registration fee. If you want to contribute voluntarily for the organizing RAM, you can also do so. You can book your a stall if you require. So with all this, let us come together, enjoy, learn, understand, and go back, get our own benefits in networking with Navodayans, and give back to our school, give back to our society. All the best. Keep rocking. Thank you.